Capi wakes up when sun hits stagnant water of lagoon. Capi's fur is matted with mud and dried sweat. Every single day, Capi goes to thickest part of jungle to find real oranges. Real oranges are heavy. Real oranges have weight of sun and rain inside them. Capi carries heavy basket on back until spine curves like old branch. Capi saves real oranges because Capi has dream. Capi wants Stone Cave. Stone Cave is dry. Stone Cave is safe from night-stalking jaguars. Stone Cave is where Capi can finally rest tired paws. Years ago, Stone Cave cost 100 real oranges. Capi did math. If Capi saves 10 oranges every season, in 10 seasons Capi owns Stone Cave. Capi works, Capi bleeds. Capi ignores hunger to put oranges in secret hole under baobab tree. 10 seasons pass. Capi goes to secret hole. Capi counts 100 oranges. Capi is happy. Capi goes to market where stone caves are sold, but something is wrong. Elder Capybara at market looks at Capi with pity.
Elder Capybara says Stone Cave no longer costs 100 oranges. Now Stone Cave costs 1,000 oranges. Capi's heart drops into stomach. Stone Cave is same Stone Cave. It is same pile of rocks. It is not grown. It is not changed. But price moved away from Capi like horizon. Capi looks at paws. Paws are scarred. Capi is older. Capi is tired. Capi does not understand how work of 10 seasons turned into nothing. Capi stands in the dust of market and watches Boss Capybara arrive on golden litter. Boss Capybara does not work in jungle. Boss Capybara does not have scars. Boss Capybara has big belly and loud voice. Behind Boss Capybara walks Banker Alligator. Banker Alligator has cold eyes and teeth that shine like wet glass. Banker Alligator carries heavy sack, but sack does not contain real oranges. Sack contains paper oranges. These are fake oranges. They look like oranges. They are round and orange-colored on paper, but they have no juice. They have no weight.
They take no effort to grow. Banker Alligator has magic machine in dark swamp cave. Machine goes click, clack, and 1,000 paper oranges fall out every minute. Boss Capybara wants to build giant statue of himself. Boss Capybara wants to give free juice to all lazy capybaras so they keep him on throne. But Boss Capybara has no real oranges. Boss Capybara goes to Banker Alligator. Banker Alligator smiles. Banker Alligator says he can print all paper oranges Boss Capybara needs. Banker Alligator makes mountain of paper oranges. Boss Capybara takes paper oranges to market. Boss Capybara buys everything. Boss Capybara buys best stone caves. Boss Capybara buys all sweet grass. Boss Capybara pays for everything with paper that costs nothing to make. Capi watches from shadows. Capi sees truth. When Banker Alligator floods market with paper oranges, real oranges lose their power. Imagine lagoon. Only 10 real oranges exist in whole world. 1 real orange buys 1 big fish.
Capi has 1 real orange. Life is simple. Then Banker Alligator prints 90 paper oranges and gives them to Boss Capybara. Now there are 100 oranges in world, but there is still only 1 big fish. Seller fish is not stupid. Seller sees everyone has oranges now. Seller says if everyone has oranges, orange is not special. Fish now costs 10 oranges. Capi looks at his 1 real orange. Yesterday, it bought whole fish. Today, it buys only fish tail. Capi did not lose orange. Capi did not work less. But Banker Alligator stole value of Capi's sweat by making oranges grow on printing press instead of trees. This is why Stone Cave price runs away. Boss Capybara and Banker Alligator are playing game where they have infinite oranges and Capi has only what he can carry. Capi is running a race against monster that can move finish line with wave of hand. Banker Alligator is very clever. Banker Alligator knows that if Capi realizes paper oranges are fake, Capi will stop working.
So Banker Alligator creates debt. Banker Alligator tells Capi, "Do not cry, little Capi. You want Stone Cave? I give you 1,000 paper oranges today. You buy cave now. You just have to give me 2 real oranges every day for rest of your life." Capi is desperate. Capi wants roof. Capi agrees.
Capi moves into Stone Cave, but now Capi is slave. Every morning before Capi eats, Capi must find 2 oranges for Banker Alligator. If Capi gets sick, debt grows. If Capi gets old, debt grows. Banker Alligator created paper oranges from nothing, but he demands real sweat and real life in return. Banker Alligator owns Capi's future. Banker Alligator owns Capi's children's future. Stone Cave is not home. Stone Cave is cage made of debt. And while Capi struggles to pay back 1,000 oranges, Banker Alligator is already printing 10,000 more for Boss Capybara to buy new war or new palace.
Every time machine goes click-clack in swamp, Capi's debt becomes harder to pay because price of everything else goes up. Now look at horizon. Reality is darker than Capi thinks. System is not just unfair. System is broken by design. Banker Alligator has printed so many paper oranges that jungle cannot hold them. Total number of paper oranges in world is now 100 times more than all real oranges, all stone caves, and all fish in lagoon combined. It is giant bubble of paper floating over swamp. Banker Alligator knows bubble will pop. Boss Capybara knows bubble will pop. They are panicking. They are printing paper oranges faster and faster to try and hold bubble up. They use paper oranges to buy real things, land, gold, clean water, leaving Capi with only paper that is losing smell and color. Math does not lie. You cannot print wealth. You can only print misery and distribute it to those who work. Capi is at bottom of mountain of paper.
When mountain collapses, Capi will be buried. Collapse is not possibility. Collapse is mathematical certainty. Current debt of Boss Capybara is more than all oranges that will ever grow in next 1,000 years. It can never be paid. It will be erased by fire or by total rot of paper orange. Capi thinks he is saving for retirement. Capi thinks if he works harder, he wins. But Capi is playing game with loaded dice. Banker Alligator controls price of Stone Cave because Banker Alligator controls supply of fake oranges. If Banker Alligator wants Stone Cave prices to go up, he prints more paper. If he wants Capi to lose Stone Cave, he stops printing and demands real oranges back immediately. Capi is just pawn in swamp game. Stone Cave is dream sold to keep Capi walking in wheel. Every hour Capi spends in jungle is hour stolen by Banker Alligator. The more Capi works, the more paper oranges Boss Capybara prints to keep up. It is loop of doom. Capi is tired.
Capi is starting to see that paper oranges are just dry leaves with ink. But realizing truth is only first step into nightmare. Something even worse is coming. Banker Alligator is tired of paper. Paper is heavy to move. Banker Alligator is building new cage. New cage is invisible. New cage will track every orange Capi touches, every breath Capi takes in Stone Cave. Go watch video here.